Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Choke, a podcast where we tackle pressing environmental issues from a scientific perspective. I'm Zaki, and today we're going to discuss a critical global problem that has already happened, which is plastic pollution, which also happened in our oceans. Plastic pollution is significant because it does not only affect marine life but also human health and overall environment. Today, we're gonna explore the causes of this pollution, this plastic pollution, its devastating impact, and also the possible solutions. Today with me are two experts in this field, which is Dr. Afi, an environmental scientist specializing in marine ecosystem, and also Mr. Zul, a sustainability consultant focuses on waste management strategies. So, without further ado, let's dive in.
Thanks, Zaki. So let's start with the causes. The main contributor to plastic pollution in the ocean is mismanaged waste, especially single-use plastic like bags, bottles, and packaging. A larger percentage of this plastic end up in waterways, either directly through littering or indirectly via poorly managed landfill. Ocean current then carry this plastic debris, creating massive accumulation zones such as the infamous Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Industry activities, including fishing, also contribute significantly with described fishing nets, referred to as ghost nets that trap marine animals. The scale of this issue is enormous, with an estimated 8 million metric tons of plastic entering the ocean each year.
Exactly, Dr. Afi. The impacts of the pollution are devastating. For marine life, ingestion and entanglement in plastic are major problems. Sea turtles, seabirds, and fish often mistake small plastic particles known as microplastic for food, leading to starvation or internal injuries. This plastic also releases toxic chemicals as they break down, which can disrupt reproductive system and lead to long-term health issues in wildlife. But it doesn't stop there. The toxins from plastic eventually make their way up the food chain to human. Recent studies have even found microplastic in human bloodstream, raising concerns about long-term health impact, such as hormone disruption and cancer.
That is very alarming indeed, Mr. Zul. But there is actually might be some hope because current research is focused on both mitigation and innovative solution. And as an example, researcher has developed a biodegradable plastic as an alternative to traditional plastic, which can reduce the amount of waste that ends up in the ocean, right? And can reduce the amount of the plastic get eaten by the animal. And there's also the cleanup initiative, like the Ocean Cleanup Project, which, which target the large-scale removal of plastic waste from the ocean. And on the policy side, many countries have started to implement bans on single-use plastic, which encourage their people to do more recycling. However, individuals' action matters too. And by reducing plastic consumption and properly disposing the plastic waste, it can make a significant difference.
You are right, Zaki. What's clear is that plastic pollution is not just an environmental issue, it is a society one. It requires global cooperation, strict regulation, and a shift in consumer behavior. We need to retain our relationship with plastic, focusing on sustainability and responsible consumption. Education and awareness campaign can help change public attitude, making plastic reduction a priority.
Absolutely, Dr. Afi. The broader implications are significant, impacting not just marine ecosystem but also human health and economies dependent on the ocean. As individuals, we need to take ownership of our role in reducing plastic pollution. Simple steps like using reusable bags, avoiding single-use plastic, and supporting policies that prioritize environmental health and collectively make a difference.
Well said. And with that, that brings us to the end of today's discussion. Remember, guys, every small action accounts in protecting our ocean. Thank you, Dr. Avi, and also Mr. Zul, for your insight. And thank you all to our listener for tuning in to Choke. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.